Roll camera 2. Rolling. Action!
The average adult human contains up to 10 pints of blood. A car accident victim could use up to 100. Blood donation is important because without it, people who need organ transplants, heart surgery, have cancer, anemia, or any type of blood disorder wouldn't have a chance. Every year, the demand for blood or one of its components goes up by 2%. That means Canada needs roughly 17,000 new donors every year. Blood can be separated into 3 main components: red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Just one donation of blood can save 3 separate lives and is well worth a brief moment of pain. Another thing to consider is that you may be in an accident and need a transfusion. There's no substitute for blood, so it's important to keep a constant and consistent supply. My name is Malia, and this is my POV.